What up fam, it's BENGO-TECH right here, and we are back again. And today I'm gonna teach you how you can make a bootable USB drive, a bootable USB drive. So but before you do that, you're gonna need some basic things like your flash drive right here. You're gonna need a flash drive, and the flash drive should be more than 8 gigabytes. You know what I mean? It should be more than 8 gigabytes. And then obviously your computer, you're gonna need your computer or your laptop, and then you're gonna need your Windows software, and then a bootable software. So I'm gonna describe everything on the whole process, and then you will know or see how the whole thing is done. It's just as simple as it is, and follow every step carefully and don't skip. Continue to watch. So we're gonna get started, but you're gonna need this pen drive or flash drive. So let's get started. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, and then give it a thumbs up after this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Very necessary. Okay, so like I showed you, the basic thing that you need is your flash drive. So now let's connect the flash drive onto this laptop. Okay, let's do that. Boom. Alright, so now the flash drive is connected. So what you're gonna do now is you need to have a power ISO. Well, I'm gonna use the power ISO. So you need to have a power ISO installed on your laptop. If you don't have that, I'll put the link in my description, so you can follow that link and then download the power ISO that I'm talking about. So you download that and then you install it. And so what you're gonna do now is just come to the power ISO right here. You double click on it. I just installed this new power ISO, and then I didn't activate it. So maybe if you install and then you don't activate it, so what you're going to do is just come to continue with the trial version right here. But if you have the activation code, you can just tap on here, enter the registration code, and then you just put in the code, and then you just go. But if you don't have that too, and then you want to buy the code, you just come here online. You just come here online, and then you request for the code. Okay, so if you don't have it and then you just want to use the trial version, you just use the trial version right here. You click on here, and then it's gonna open up the whole process, and then you're just gonna continue. So in my situation, I'm gonna tap on the continue trial. So when you do that, this is what's gonna happen. Let me make this bold so y'all can see what I'm doing. So what you're gonna do now is you come all the way up here to the tools button right here, and then you to the tools button right here. All right, so we have the file, the view, the action, the tools. So we're gonna select tools right here, and then you scroll all the way down to create a bootable USB drive. It's just as simple as it is on power ISO. So just as simple as it is right here. So you click on there, and then you say, do you want to continue? So you click on OK, and then you click on OK. Let me close my screen keyboard, and then you wait again, and then this pop-up is gonna come again, and then you're still gonna continue to the trial version right here. And then here is where you're gonna select this portion. Hold on, let me make this bold so y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all can see what I'm doing clearly. So in this situation right here, you're gonna come here, image file. So select source, you have the image file right here. So you go to this folder right here, you click on it, and then you select where your Windows is located. So mine is located on the desktop. So I go to my desktop,
and then I come here. So this is my Windows right here. So I highlight it, and then I go to open, and then you come down to your destination USB drive. Here you're gonna make sure your USB or your flash drive is selected right here. Okay, so you make sure your flash drive is selected, and then if it's not selected, you just come to your refresh button right here, and it's gonna make the whole thing refreshed. Or you tap on here, and then it's going to show the list of the drives that are available, and then you select the drive that you want to make the bootable on, and then you just click on it. And then when you are done, make sure the right method is on USB hard drive. It's on USB hard drive, USB hard disk drive, and then you make sure the file system is automatic. And when you're done, you just click on starts, and this is going to tell you that all data in the USB drive will be overridden. Do you still want to continue? So if you have a document or something important in your drive, you make sure you do a backup before you do all this process. So in this situation, I have nothing on there that I'll need, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then click on OK, and the whole bootable process will just start right now. See that? The whole bootable process will just start right now. So see, it's 0% right here, and it's time's elapsing. So let's wait and see how it's gonna go. It's gonna take some while, so I'm just gonna fast forward this whole process, and then let's see where it's gonna go. Okay, so now y'all can see that it's loading right now, and then we have the 8% right here. We have the 8%. It's loading. So don't worry if you don't have the Power ISO installed, or you don't have the software, or you don't have the Windows software. I'm gonna post the link in my description so y'all can see where you can download the softwares at, you know, because Power ISO just made it simple and easy. You know, this process is just an easy step, and you know, if you want to learn how to do a bootable drive, you know, it's just simple as it is. So let's keep waiting and see how it's gonna go. So we have 72 now. We have 72 now, so it's still loading and it's still going. You know, at a point I just had to pause the recording and then make this go, because this takes some time, like 40 minutes or maybe like 30 minutes, you know. So yeah, so let's still wait till this whole thing is done, then I'll just show you how it is done. Yeah, like I said, if you're new on this channel, just make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then you just push the notification bell so you don't miss any video that I post on here, because I post videos twice a week, so y'all don't miss out. And then hit the like button and leave your comments down there. Yep. Okay, so it's done right now. See how the whole thing is. So writing USB drive completely successful. So now we have, so you click on OK. So now we have the pen drive or the flash drive bootable right now. So now we have a bootable flash drive. You hear me? So let me show you how it looks like. So this is the USB drive. So this is a Windows drive. We have a bootable flash drive right here now. You hear me? So just go ahead and then insert it in your laptop or your computer that you want to make a Windows installation on, and then start the whole process. So now we have a bootable flash drive, and this is how this whole process is done. Just simple as it is, and just follow every single step carefully and don't miss any step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Peace. Stay out of trouble.
Started running when a nigga think I miss. Shit is funny cause somebody bring the heat. Knew that's put me on the beat, I got a vocals. We go party and nobody gonna